Hi guys, I just wanted to pop in before this video starts to let you know that this is a collaboration with one of my newer YouTube friends who I love dearly. She is hilarious, Winnie B LV. She always gives me a big laugh, and I especially love her non-intro intro. If you're not familiar with her, you definitely have to go over and check her out just to see what I mean by that, if nothing else. She has the best non-intro intro in town, I'm telling you. And I needed to film this intro to explain that it's a collaboration because I actually filmed this video before we decided to collab on it. So that's why I don't mention her throughout any of it or a collab throughout any of it. I got this bag, I filmed the unboxing, and then we found out that she also got this bag but in a different color and a different leather. So we decided, hey, let's put these up on the same day. Maybe that'll help some of you guys decide what bag you might want, what leather, what color you might want. That's what we're here for, is to provide you with all the information you need to purchase the handbags of your dreams. All this is for you. So please make sure when you're done watching my video that you go check out Winnie B LV. I'll link her below, and I'm sure you will love her almost as much as you love me. Alright, if I look a little more disheveled, maybe a little sweaty, it's because I am. I just went down to get this package and a second package that I'm going to film unboxing of right after this. And so our apartment complex is huge. There are two main buildings, and each of those buildings, it's divided into different parts. And the mail is supposed to be separated between building 1 and building 2. Well, there was a box there that obviously had food in it down by the packages, and it was for somebody in building 2. So I decided to deliver it to them, and I had to walk like a mile to get there in the Texas heat. So that's why I look a little disheveled. It's late in the day. It's probably nearing 9 o'clock. Oh, and my computer has the time on it. Did you know that? It's 8:32 p.m. and it is bloody hot outside. That's why I look like this. Although it's probably not all that much different from normal. Let's get to the unboxing. But I just couldn't wait until tomorrow to unbox these two items, so let's get to it. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure that you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. I have a handbag unboxing today. I have never purchased anything from this brand. I've never even looked at this brand in person when I've seen them. I think the only place I've ever seen them is at Nordstrom. Where's my little box cutter? Here it is. There's a little bit of a story behind why I ended up buying this bag from this brand. So the story is, back in June, you guys know if you've been watching my videos, I went to the San Marcos outlets and I went to the YSL outlet, and I saw this beauty, this little toy Lulu, which I thought was so cute. It's mostly the color that grabbed me because I like the bronze metallic. I also thought the bag was really cute, and I've never really looked at the Lulu before. It's just never caught my eye, but that one did, and I couldn't stop thinking about it, but I didn't want to spend that kind of money. That bag I didn't even ask the price on because I knew I wasn't going to buy it, but it was probably about $1,000. So I tried to put it out of my mind, but I kept thinking about it. And then I came across a bag from another brand that looked a lot like the Lulu. A puffy bag with quilting like that. Chain strap and a flap. But looking at that brand, they didn't have any colors that I was interested in, because for me, this bag is very casual, or at least that's the look I would go for with it. And I wanted a color, but like a neutral-ish color, like kind of a navy blue or a medium blue or maybe a burgundy. And that brand didn't have any of those bags in that color. So I kind of gave up on that bag, but then I accidentally came across this brand that has a very similar looking bag, and it had the color combination that I wanted. Oh, the other brand had a blue bag, but it had gold hardware, and I really wanted silver because that was more casual. I'll tell you the other brand in the next unboxing video that I do. This will probably be up on a Saturday, so the following Saturday I'll unbox the other box that I got tonight, and you'll find out what I'm talking about. Have to tease you and keep you on your toes to make you keep coming back, right? I got the end of the box open here. There's the bag. It's quite a bit heavier than I was expecting. And I got this, where did I see it? I saw it at Nordstrom Rack. Oh, it's like brand new. It's still all wrapped up. I didn't realize that. It said it was in new condition, but I didn't realize it was like brand new wrapped up condition. So that's very nice. I feel like I'm babbling because my brain is broken because I just got exercise. So I saw this bag and the brand at Nordstrom Rack for a really good price. It was way cheaper than even the other two bags, way cheaper than YSL, and also about half the price of the other bag, the other brand I was looking at. And then I went onto eBay to see what other colors they might have because Nordstrom only had about 3 colors. And I found this. And this I thought was exactly what I was looking for. It's perfect. So there's a little note on it, very nice. It says, "Thank you for shopping at Chinese Fun Shop." So that was the shop where I got it from eBay. Okay, well this is fun. I didn't realize it would be a really true unboxing with, you know, all wrapped up brand new. I thought it was like maybe slightly used. I'm gonna cover up what it says so there are little surprises. All right. So here's just a little peek at it. The brand is Minkoff. The bag is the Edie, and the color is Bordeaux. And they have several different leathers or leather finishes that they do these bags in. And this is, oh, it smells like leather. It's nice. This is a glazed, hold it up where you can see it, a glazed calfskin, and you can see how wrinkly and crinkly it is, and I love that, and it reminds me of the Chanel reissue. Nordstrom Rack had one, but it was a pebbled leather, and it was a dark red too, but it was called Pinot Noir. It looked a little more formal because of the pebbled leather. This looks more casual, which is what I wanted, like I said. Let me get it all unwrapped, and then let's take a look at it. This burgundy is darker than I was expecting it to be, which is not a bad thing. I like it. And I'm already thinking about getting this bag in a few other colors too. I saw a blue one with silver hardware on eBay, and I saw a deep green one with silver hardware. I don't know much about this brand. Just never really given them a look or a second thought. So if any of you know more about Rebecca Minkoff than I know, which is anything, let me know in the comments section, would you? Why am I using my fingers to pull all this apart when I have scissors and opposable thumbs? There's a dust bag inside. I didn't know it would come with that. Okay, this is quite nice. It's better quality than I was expecting it to be. So that's good. Let's take a look at the tag real quick and then I'll show you the bag. Okay, so it's the Edie flap shoulder bag in the color Bordeaux. Suggested retail was $298, and from this shop on eBay, I paid $150. So I got it for half price. There's a card that says special treatment. Rebecca Minkoff bags are crafted in top quality leathers and feature exclusive treatments and finishes. Due to the luxe nature of these leathers, no two bags are exactly alike. Differences in color, grain, and markings are unique to each handbag. And I can definitely say that that's true because there were 2 of these on eBay from different sellers, and I noticed the graining was different, like the wrinkling was different on them. And then there's, on the other side of that, it says, "Take care. When not in use, store your handbag in the protective dust bag. Keep it in a cool, dry environment. Avoid contact with liquids, excessive temperatures, and overexposure to sunlight. Clean by leather professional only." Well, that's certainly not me. All right, the weight of the handbag, I said it was heavy. The weight is coming from the chains. They're pretty hefty there. This bag is offered in 2 sizes. This is the larger size. It's about 10.5 inches across by 8 tall and 3 deep. Okay, here is the front of the bag. Let's do a little spin. And it probably looks a lot shinier on camera than it really is, and the color is going to look brighter than it really is too. In person, when I first opened the box, I thought they might have sent me a black bag. It's that dark. I don't think anything I do is going to show you the true color of it. I wore a neutral top specifically to help show the true color, but I think it's going to come up brighter. But it is like a very deep Bordeaux color. So there is the front. You've got the flap and the little clasp detail. Here's the side. Looks very much like the Lulu bag. Here's the back, the other side. The bottom no feet, and it is squishy, which is one of the things I was looking for. And then the top, I want to make sure you can see how the chain is laid out there, where it's the holes go like this, not like this. The chain, like I said, is pretty sturdy. It has two leather pieces here. I'll show you the front on one and the back on the other, so you can see one piece has a little overlap edge and the other doesn't. My first impression of this part of the bag is that these could be wider and a little thicker to be more comfortable and to be a little bit more luxe. I want to point out a big bonus feature on this bag that the YSL and the other brand do not have, and that is this back pocket. It does have a magnet on it, and the interior is lined with this fabric. It's a magnetic snap closure. It says Rebecca Minkoff on the little plate there. And then one of the things that worried me when I first saw this bag, and before I started watching other YouTube videos on it, is that it looks like it's very cumbersome to open, but this is all an illusion. The front flap is actually hard to open, but it's a magnetic snap as well. This is just there to trick you. Just there as a decorative piece. So inside that flap you have the leather edging and then that fabric again. And here's the layout. You have one big pocket here, one big pocket here. That back pocket has a zipped pocket, and then you have a zipped center compartment. The center compartment has a nylon zipper but a metal zipper pull. You can see there's the inside of the pocket, and here's the inside of the other pocket on that back wall with, for some reason, a QR code tag. It says scan me rmalwaysOn.com. Let's get acquainted. Maybe I'll try that later. I've never seen that on a bag before. When I was watching videos of this, and again, I've never looked at Rebecca Minkoff bags, I thought that the interior looked a little cheap compared to the other two brands, the YSL and the mystery brand. But seeing it in person, this is a nice fabric. It's a good quality fabric. The interior has more structure. It feels more substantial than I thought it would. It's not as cheap as it looked on camera when I was watching the videos. The straps, you can have it doubled up like this as a shoulder bag. You can also pull one through and have a longer strap for a longer shoulder strap or a crossbody. So let me model that for you. Okay, I'm 5'3" for reference. And I mean, the bag's empty right now, so it's really flat. I'll do a what fits at some point. Here's, whoops, wrong way. Here's where it falls on me as a shoulder bag with the two straps. That's a great length for that. Then if I have the one strap, the bottom of my hip is down here, so the top of the bag falls just at the bottom of my hip. And then if I put it on crossbody, it's at a more reasonable length. But that's very good crossbody placement. I don't know how to talk. It's a good chain length for crossbody for me, and I think that would work well on taller people too, and on people a little shorter even. I would say I am definitely pleased with this. Better than I was expecting. The quality's better, the color's a little darker, but that's the only thing, but that's not a bad thing. It's a beautiful deep Bordeaux. Perfect description for that color. It's heavier than I thought it would be. I know that the magnet is really strong because people said that. One thing that they were saying too is to take a little piece of tape, like a clear Scotch tape, and put it over the magnet snap, and that should help it some. So I will definitely try that because that's hard to open. I love that it has the back pocket. I love the look of it. I love the color. I love the glazed crinkled leather. I love the smell. I was not expecting that to smell so nice. This is gonna make me start looking at Rebecca Minkoff bags. I didn't realize that the quality of them was this good. I thought, and no offense to anybody who likes this brand, but I thought it was more along the lines of like Michael Kors or Calvin Klein bags, which are good quality bags, but this is better. It is. So now I understand. Oh, it smells so nice. I'm very, very happy with it. I'm very pleased. I'm curious to know, again, if you guys have experience with Rebecca Minkoff, what you think and what you can tell me about the brand in your experience. And now I'm off to film the other unboxing, but then I'm going to go back to eBay and start looking at more of these, because what I need are more handbags in my collection. Yes, very happy with this. Very, very happy. Good purchase. It's always a little risky buying a handbag you've never seen before off of eBay because you can't really return it like you can if you buy it from a store. No regrets here. Fantastic. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this. And I'm curious to do my what fits video too, so stick around for that. Autumn from the future is back to remind you that this is indeed a collaboration video, so please, now that you're done with my video, go over to Winnie B. LV's channel. It is linked below, and watch her video to see which of these bags she ordered and what leather and what color and what she thinks of it. I think she likes it. I haven't really talked to her about that. Maybe she'll hate it. Either way, she's gonna have some kind of funny story for you. Definitely worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time. Hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.